Welcome dear student. We are going to start question number 8 from problem set number 2. Question number 8 is from the information given in the figure. Prove that PM equals to PN equals to root 3A. Now input in triangle PQR, PQ equals to QR equals to PR equals to A. This is given in figure. PQ is A, QR is A, PR is A, MQ is A, RN is also A. Now, so triangle PQR is equilateral triangle and PS is perpendicular to QR means QS is perpendicular to MN. So QS and RS is equals to half of QR. Altitude of equilateral triangle bisect the opposite side. So QS equals to RS equals to half of A because QR is A. This is given in figure. Now in triangle PSN, angle PSN equals to 90 degree and angle PRN is obtuse angle. So in triangle PRN, angle PRN is obtuse angle and PS is perpendicular to RN. So application of Pythagoras theorem for obtuse angle. PN square equals to PR square plus NR square plus 2NR into RS. Means we can write PN square equals to NR square plus PR square plus 2NR into RS. Now this is the application of Pythagoras theorem for obtuse angle. So we can write PN square equals to NR square means A square plus PR square is also A square plus 2 into A by 2. RS is A by 2. We just find RS equals to A by 2. Now therefore this 2 cancel. We can write A square plus A square. This A into A is also A square. So PN square equals to 3A square and PN equals to square root of 3A square. So taking square root, PN equals to root 3A. Similarly, angle PQM is obtuse angle in triangle PQM. PS is perpendicular to MQ. So by application of Pythagoras theorem for obtuse angle, PM square equals to MQ square plus PQ square plus 2MQ into QS. By application of Pythagoras theorem, putting the values of PM square equals to A square plus 2A into A by 2. MQ means MQ is A, QS is half of QR is A by 2. Again this 2 cancel, A into A square, so we can write PM square equals to A square plus A square plus A square. PM square equals to 3A square taking square root. PM square root of PM square equals to root 3A square. PM equals to root 3A. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we can write PM equals to PN equals to root 3A. Next question number 9. Prove that the sum of square of the diagonals of parallelogram is equal to the sum of square of its sides. So we take quadrilateral PQRS is parallelogram. Now quadrilateral PQRS is parallelogram and PR and QS are diagonals intersect each other at point M. We have to prove the sum of square of diagonals means PR square plus QS square equals to sum of square of all sides of parallelogram is PQ square plus QR square plus RS square plus PS square. Now next in answer, let M is the midpoint of intersection of diagonal PR and QS. We know that diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, so PM equals to MR, PM is equals to MR and QM equals to SM or MS. In triangle PQR, QM is median on side PR. So QM is median of triangle PQR. So by using Apollonius theorem, PQ square plus QR square equals to 2QM square plus 2PM square. So this is Apollonius theorem. So 2QM square, QM is half of QS is half of QM. QM square means half of QS square plus 2. PM is half of PR, so by replacing PM square, half of PR square. So we can write 2 into QS by 2 square means QS square by 4 plus 2 into PR square by 2 whole square means PR square by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, so we can write PQ square plus QR square equals to QS square by 2 plus PR square by 2. Now next, similarly in triangle PSR, we can prove PS square plus RS square equals to QS by 2, QS square by 2 plus PR square by 2. Adding equation 2 and 3. If we add equation 2 and 3, then left hand side plus left hand side. PQ square plus QR square plus PS square plus RS square equals to QS square by 2 plus QS square by 2 plus PR square by 2 plus PR square by 2. So QS square by 2 plus QS square by 2, that is 2 QS square by 2. PR square by 2 plus PR square by 2 is 2 PR square by 2. 2 to cancel, 2 to cancel. So QS square plus PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square plus PS square plus RS square is the sum of square of all sides of parallelogram equals to sum of square of its diagonal. यहाँ पे हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं QS square by 2 plus PR square by 2. Half of QS square by 2 plus half of QS square by 2 is 1 QS square by 2. PR square by 2 plus PR square by 2 equals to again PR square by 2. Okay now. Now next, PQ square QS square plus PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square plus PS square plus RS square. Means PR square plus QS square equals to PQ square plus QR square plus RS square plus PS square. Next question. Question number 10. Pranali and Prasad started walking to the east and north respectively from the same point and the same speed. After 2 hours, the distance between them was 15 km. Find their speed per hour. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. AB equals to x km per hour. BC equals to x km per hour. Length of AC is distance between Pranali and Prasad, that is 15√2 km per hour. Suppose Pranali and Prasad started to walk from point B. Point B से प्रणाली और प्रसाद ने वॉकिंग करना स्टार्ट करने के बाद B से प्रणाली पॉइंट A तक गई और प्रसाद पॉइंट C तक गया, हैविंग स्पीड x km per hour. 2 घंटे के बाद दोनों का डिस्टेंस मीन्स AC ये डिस्टेंस हो गया पॉइंट A के पास है प्रणाली, पॉइंट C के पास है प्रसाद, तो दोनों का डिस्टेंस हो गया 15√2 किलोमीटर. नाउ स्पीड along AC equals to distance upon time. Speed equals to distance upon time. You know that. So is equals to 15√2 by 2. That is 15 by √2 kilometer. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. यहाँ पे छोटा सा करेक्शन है. In triangle ABC, this D for triangle ABC, D for triangle, angle ABC equals to 90 degree. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, 15 upon √2 square equals to x square plus x square. We know that x square plus x square 2x square 15 square 225 upon root 2 square is 2. Therefore we can write 225 upon this 2 transfer into left side, 2 into 2 4, x square equals to square root of 225 upon 4 taking square root. So square root of 225 is 15 by 2, x equals to 15 by 2, therefore x equals to 7.5 kilometer, means speed of Pranali and Prasad was 7.5 kilometer per hour. Now next question number 11. In triangle ABC, angle BAC equals to 90 degree, segment BL and CM are the medians of triangle ABC. Then prove that 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square equals to 5BC square. Solution. Given in triangle ABC, angle BAC equals to 90 degree, BL and segment CM are the medians of triangle ABC. We have to prove 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square equals to 5BC square. To prove this 5BC square equals to 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square, we take right angle triangle BAL. Angle BAL equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, BL square equals to AB square plus AL square. BL square equals to AB square plus AL square. Now BL square equals to AB square plus AL square means AL is half of AC. AL is half of AC because L is midpoint of AC. So by replacing AL square we can write half of AC square, and half of AC square is AC square by 4. AL is half of AC. Now next, so multiply this equation by 4. So we get 4BL square equals to 4AB square plus AC square. AC square by 4 था, यहाँ पे हर एक इक्वेशन हर साइड को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 किया तो 4 इंटू BL स्क्वायर, 4BL स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 4 इंटू AB स्क्वायर, 4AB स्क्वायर प्लस AC स्क्वायर बाय 4 इंटू 4, 4 कैंसल, रिमेनिंग ओनली AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल CAM, angle CAM equals to 90 degree. So CM square equals to AC square plus AM square. CM square equals to AC square plus AB square by 4. We know that AM is half of AB. By replacing AM square we can write AB square by 4 because AM is half of AB. So multiply this equation by 4, we get 4 into CM square, 4 CM square equals to 4 into AC square, 4 AC square, 4 into AB square, 4 AB, 4 cancel, remaining only AB square. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2, left hand side plus left hand side, right hand side plus right hand side. So we can write 4BL square plus 4CM square equals to 4AB square plus AC square plus 4AC square plus AB square. Therefore 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square, we take 4 common, 4AB square plus AB square, 5AB square, AC square plus 4AC square, 5AC square. Is that clear? Now we can write 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square equals to 5 in bracket AB square plus AC square is equation number 3. Now we take right angle triangle ABC, and in right angle triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, BC square equals to AB square plus AC square, means by replacing AB square plus AC square we can write BC square. अब हमें यहाँ पे ये AB square plus AC square को रिप्लेस करके BC square लिखना है. So equation 3 और equation 4 से we can write 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square equals to 5BC square. देखो 4BL square plus 4CM square ऐड किया, 4AB square plus AB square 5AB square, AC स्क्वायर प्लस 4AC स्क्वायर 5AC स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे 5 कॉमन लेने के बाद AB स्क्वायर प्लस AC स्क्वायर हुआ और AB² + AC² को रिप्लेस करके BC² होगा। सो